The Health Ministry will get an extra $10.3 billion to pay employees. The third supplementary estimates show that $6 billion has been allocated to compensate employees and roughly $4.3 billion for extra hours worked. Permanent Secretary in the Health Ministry Dunstan Bryan gave the update at a recent parliamentary committee.
The compensation transactions have resulted in changes in the compensation outlay for the financial year. What is here in this is to cover the allocations that we project until to the end of the financial year, especially for overtime payments to staff in the health system.
In the meantime, the Permanent Secretary insists the ministry is still committed to outsourcing some diagnostic services. $750 million was reflected in the supplementary estimates.
There is no termination of that program at this time. We do understand, however, at the operational level, certain decisions may be made that, given the availability of funds within the regional health authorities, that may cause them not to be able to offer the program as consistently as they ought to provide it.